Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about a mallet finger. Before discussing the mallet finger, the first thing you should know is joints of the finger. This is the proximal interphalangeal joint. This is the distal interphalangeal joint. You see here, this is the extensor tendon, which covers the extension of the distal phalanx. Tendon become rupture when the bone is break and it is then pulled by this extensor tendon. It then cause distal phalanx to unable to extend. A piece of bone is pulled by this extensor tendon. After this, the patient then unable to extend this phalanx, and this condition is called a mallet finger. So, what actually causes the mallet finger? When a ball or anything that hit the tip of the finger, it causes the forceful flexion of the finger and cause the rupture of this extensor tendon. Now, what are the sign and symptom of mallet finger? First visible sign of the mallet finger is the patient will be unable to extend his distal phalanx. And the second sign and symptoms are there will be swelling, there will be pain, and this area will be mildly tender, and there may be redness due to it. What is the treatment of the mallet finger? As I have already talked, when this extensor tendon is ruptured, this is usually healed by itself, or you have to keep the distal phalanx in extended position, usually by brace or by splint. And if this tendon full a piece of bone, then surgery is then required. So when the external tendon is break, you have to keep the tip of the finger in extended position for minimum of 6 weeks by brace or splint. You shouldn't to remove the brace or splint, and you have to keep the distal phalanx in extended position continuously. So this was all about on mallet finger. For more videos, subscribe, like, and share.